Hello, folks, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're delving into the world of coding education with a focus on FreeCodeCamp. If you're looking to learn coding and land a career in this exciting field, stay tuned as we break down its features, lessons, and real-world application opportunities. FreeCodeCamp is your one-stop destination for comprehensive coding education. With over 3,000 hours of coding practice available, this platform offers a wealth of lessons to help you master coding step by step. Each lesson is conveniently sized between 10 minutes and 3 hours, making it easy to fit into your schedule. The curriculum covers everything from HTML5 and CSS to JavaScript algorithms, data structures, and front-end development libraries. The best part? It's all free of charge, setting it apart from paid alternatives. Diving into the courses, you'll find a plethora of individual lessons under each topic. This ensures you grasp the material thoroughly before moving on. FreeCodeCamp's flexibility shines as you're able to skip repetitive content and resume lessons at your convenience. The lessons themselves take place in a clean text editor, offering a stylish and engaging interface. As you code, real-time results are displayed in a mock web browser on the side, enhancing your learning experience. Getting stuck? No worries. FreeCodeCamp offers hints and video tutorials to guide you through challenges. But it doesn't stop at interactive lessons. You can also explore more than 10,000 non-interactive tutorials, guides, and blog posts authored by various contributors. And if you're in the mood for some tunes, there's even a 24/7 radio station playing chill beats to code to. But learning is only half the journey, right? FreeCodeCamp's community steps in with nearly 300,000 users ready to help. Engaging with the community is easy, from joining GitHub open source repositories to accessing Discord-powered private chat servers. If you prefer a classic approach, you can rely on the good old-fashioned forums to find answers to your questions. One of the platform's standout features is its alumni network, which can kickstart your coding career. With over 40,000 graduates securing positions at companies like Apple, Google, and Spotify, it's a testament to the effectiveness of FreeCodeCamp's curriculum. To join the network, you need to earn a certification showcasing your coding skills, ensuring you're well prepared for the coding world. In conclusion, FreeCodeCamp offers a comprehensive coding education and real-world application opportunities. With its extensive library of lessons, interactive interface, and active community, it's an excellent choice if you're serious about making coding your career. However, its social features could use some improvements, and the shift away from charity-related content might be a drawback for some. Remember, Codecademy remains our top choice for free online coding classes, while Treehouse takes the lead for paid options. And that wraps up our overview of FreeCodeCamp. If you're eager to learn coding and explore the vast opportunities it offers, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights and reviews. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, keep coding and keep learning.